Mandy here from Hunt and Gather Hair Company. I am just here to offer you guys up some free tutorials on your self-care routine while we are isolating at home. One of the biggest requests I get from my clients is how to flat iron curl your hair. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that today using a simple scrunchie to section your hair, your flat iron, and some sea salt spray at the end in order to add a little bit of texture and movement. So I'm going to get right in there. First thing I'm going to do is section out the first section. The top section is probably the hardest part. You're going to want to start with the parting up top. Make sure that your hair is parted in the way that you like to wear it. You're going to want to go through and you're going to want to make sure that you're not curling as much as you did through the bottom of your hair. So what I mean by that is when you curl the bottom, you're adding a few more rotations, you're taking smaller sections. When you're curling the top, you're going to curl a slightly larger section and you're not going to curl it as much. So when you're curling from the back of the head, you're going to want to pull from the back on either side to make sure that you get all the hair curled. And you're going to curl up instead of down and under in order to achieve that beachy, soft shape. Right on. Now I'm going to take my wide tooth comb. I'm going to comb it out gently. Do this to soften the curl. There you go. And I'm going to use 11 Australia Sea Salt Texture Spray. This is one of my favorite texture sprays for when I do flat iron curls to give that beachy effect. It smells really beautiful. It's light. It's easy to make your hair move. And it's got some nice shine to it. Work that in. And there you are, you guys. That is my finished, soft, flat iron curl look. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for our next tutorial. Everybody stay safe out there.